Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our English class. Today our class name is 8. How are you everyone? I think you all are fine by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. I am Sayyida Najmun Nahar Dipu, Assistant Teacher of Milestone School and College, Sector 6. Now dear students, we can check our previous class, what you have learned, transformation of sentence, affirmative to negative, that you can do or not. So in the first sentence we see we must obey our parents. So how can we change into negative? So there is must, so I think you have learned it and you can do it. Yes, we can change in this way, cannot but. We cannot but obey our parents. Okay, we can also change in this way also. We cannot help obeying our parents. In two ways we can change this must. We cannot but or cannot help, and if you use help, the verb will be added with ing. Okay, and next one, everyone should always speak the truth. We must remind that we will change the structure, not the meaning. So we can change into in this way, there is no one but should always speak the truth. Okay, then only Allah can help us. We can change only none but Allah can help us. Okay, only can change into, if the person is only, meaning the only, then we can change none but. Okay, and next question is always pleasant. How can we change into negative? So yes, there is always, so we can change it never. So if we use never, then how can it, we must use antonym in the negative sentence if we have to keep the meaning of the sentence in the same sentence. Okay, so never unpleasant. Okay, so now we'll discuss about new topic, boys. Dear students, today our lecture number 8, and in this lesson we will learn our voice change. So voice change of assertive sentence. Now in this lesson what we will learn, the definition of the voice, the types of voice, rules and structures, and subjectives and objectives, forms of pronouns. Okay, definition: voice is the form of the verb which shows whether the subject acts or acted upon. Okay, so subject or so there are two types of voice, so active voice and passive voice. In active voice means the subject is, when the subject is actor or doer, it is called active voice. And we can say one sentence, he said this, for example. Here subject is actor, so we can say that this is called active voice. And in passive voice, when the subject is acted upon, this was said by him. Here subject is acted upon by object, so then it is called passive voice. So here subject is passive, অন্যের দ্বারা কাজ সম্পন্ন হচ্ছে, সেটাকে আমরা কি বলবো? প্যাসিভ ভয়েস। So how can we change into active into passive? There are some rules. So we know some rules. If we see the structure, we can see the subject. So we see structure. Okay, if we see the structure, so here in active voice, so of assertive sentence, we will see there is subject, verb and object. What is subject? Subject is doer. The subject is the person which is doing the action, and there will be verb. There will be must an action verb, that is sleep, run, etc. And object, if we see the object, what is the doing, what the subject is doing, that is called object, or acted upon, this is called object. So if we the voice is changed only the verb with transitive verb, which that is transitive verb means which verb has object. So without transitive verb we cannot change the voice. Okay, in intransitive verb we cannot change the voice. So if we say the what is the rules and structure of the sentence, so we must first see the object. We must, so in this sentence, so how can we change into passive? So passive in active voice, so first rules that is will be interchanged, active to passive, voice and subject and object will be interchanged. So in active voice, the object in the active voice will be subject in the passive voice, and that is active voice er object, passive voice er subject hobe, and the object of the active voice and the object of the active voice will be subject, and the subject of the active voice will be object, which is preceded by preposition by the preposition by, or other preposition also preceded with, at, to. Okay, and then after that the verb will be in active voice, passive voice, the verb will be past participle from, which is preceded by auxiliary verb, that is to be verb. In voice change we must use to be verb, that is to be verb means am, is, are, was, were. To be verb am, is, are, was, am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been. Okay, so this structure is most important to know the voice change. So how can we change into active into passive? So interchange, the subject will be object in the passive voice and object will be subject, and we must use, after subject we must use auxiliary verb, that is to be verb, and B3 means past participle from, then preposition by or with, at, to, okay, then object. Okay, now how can we use to be verb? Dear students, now we will learn how can we use be verb, actually auxiliary verb, when we change the active voice into passive voice. So there are you see in the board the present indefinite. If the sentence in present indefinite tense, we must use in passive voice am, is, are, and in past indefinite we must use passive voice was, were, And continuous tense, we must follow in every continuous tense, present, past or future, being verb, and perfect tense, that is present, past, future, imperfect, we must add been. And in model auxiliary verb, that is will, shall, can, could, there are many model auxiliary verb, so we use be verb. So we must follow this using be verb in short way. So this is very important. And when we see subject into object from object, when we interchange in active voice and passive voice, the subjective and objective pronoun from a pronoun is most important. So subjective pronoun I and objective pronoun will be me, and we, us, you, not changed, it you and you same. Subjective from is he and objective from will be him, and subjective from, if the subjective from is she, and it will be her, and they will be them, and if the subject is it or Rohim or any person name, then will be not change and it Rohim. Okay, now we will see some sentence how can we change the active into passive voice. Now student, we will see some example how can we change the active voice into a passive voice. There are all sentence here, so how can we change it? So we must, in this sentence we see subject. First we know what is subject and what is object. আমাদেরকে আগে object কে চিনতে হবে, so আমরা verb এর পরেই দেখব object. So how can we change? The object will be subject, the man, and we can use be verb. So first we must know what tense it is. It is present indefinite tense. In present indefinite tense we use be verb. So subject আমরা person অনুসারে be verb বসাবো, third person singular number এর সাথে আমরা is বসাবো, and verb will be, main verb will be past participle, that is known. So here we, then after verb we will use preposition. So normally we use be preposition by, but here in some special case we must follow some appropriate preposition. So nor সাথে আমরা কি বসাবো? to, and the subject will be object, objective from me. We know how can we change subjective into objective from. We must learn it, and then after that we must see what we object. So here the object is the man. We know what is object. So in this there are also other words, but we must give importance to object. That চেনার উপায় হচ্ছে ভার্বের পরে আমরা অবজেক্ট থাকবে এবং সেটা কোশ্চেন করতে হবে যে এটা কি বা কাকে, এটা বোঝালে আমরা এখানে সেটা অবজেক্টকে আমরা চিনতে পারবো, এক্সট্রা ওয়ার্ডগুলো আমরা চেঞ্জ করব না। সো আমাদের এটা হচ্ছে দ্য ম্যান, অ্যান্ড হোয়াট টেন্স ইট ইজ? পাস্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স. So here we use was auxiliary verb, and past participle will be seen. The man was seen by me playing. Extra word in the sentence will be not changed. Okay. So in the third sentence আমরা কি দেখতেছি? এখানে দেখছি তোমার এখানে he has finished the work. This is present perfect tense. So what we know? So we know that in every perfect tense, present past, we use be verb been. So first the subject will be, object will be subject, the work, that is has, must, and been. We must use be verb been. অক্সিলারি ভার্ব এখানে আছে কিন্তু সাথে আমরা বিন বসাবো এবং এখানে পারফেক্ট টেন্স মানে হচ্ছে ভার্বের পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল। সো আমাদের ভয়েসে প্যাসিভ ভয়েসও হচ্ছে ভয়েসে পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল হয়। সো এটা নিয়ে কোনো চিন্তা করতে হবে না। নট চেঞ্জড অ্যান্ড বাই হি উইল বি হিম। Okay, mother is cooking rice. Dear students, I think you have understood what we are doing. Mother is cooking rice. This is present continuous tense. So in present continuous tense we use first object will be subject, rice is being, we use be verb being, and we must use B3 actually verb past participle in every tense in passive voice by mother. So there will be no confusion for you. So in every tense, what will be the tense, continuous or perfect, present or past? It will be, the verb will be past participle. And in this last sentence we see he is going to open a bank account. So this is not continuous tense, this is model auxiliary verb. It is model auxiliary verb. So in model auxiliary verb we must not have confusion যে he is going to open a bank account, সে একটি নিকটতম ভবিষ্যৎ বোঝাচ্ছে এখানে যে একটি ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্ট খুলতে যাচ্ছে। সো এখানে আমাদের অবজেক্ট কি হবে, এ ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্ট, সাবজেক্ট হবে এ ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্ট is going to be এটা অনেকেই ভুল করে এই জন্য এটা দেওয়া হলো তোমাদের। এ ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্ট is going to be opened by him. So dear students, so you have understood যে আমরা বি ভার্বের ব্যবহার আমরা দেখালাম বিভিন্ন টেন্সে, যে আমরা প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিটে am is are, পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিটে ওয়াজ অথবা ওয়ার, পার্সন অনুসারে আমরা বসাবো, সাবজেক্ট থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার হলে ওয়াজ অ্যান্ড প্লুরাল হলে আমরা ওয়ার বসাবো। সেক্ষেত্রে এখানেও আর, যে থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার কারণে আমরা ইজ বসাচ্ছি। হ্যাজও থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলারের সাথে হ্যাজ হচ্ছে কিন্তু প্লুরাল হলে আমরা হ্যাভ বসাবো। রাইস ইজ বেইং, এটা হচ্ছে কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সে আমরা বেইং ব্যবহার করছি, এখানে বিন, বেইং অ্যান্ড বি। সো বি ভার্বের ব্যবহার ভয়েসে আমরা বি ভার্বের ব্যবহারটা দেখলাম। সো নাও উই উইল লার্ন হাউ ক্যান উই চেঞ্জ অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস ইন্টু প্যাসিভ ভয়েস ইফ দ্য সেন্টেন্স হ্যাভ ডাবল অবজেক্ট। So after verb we see there are two objects. One is called indirect object, that is what the word which denotes person, it is called indirect object, and the word which denotes substances, it is called direct object. ওকে, আমরা দুইটা অবজেক্টকে আমরা চেঞ্জ করতে পারি, দুইটা উপায় করতে পারি, যেটা আমরা একটা সামনে নিব। সো প্যাসিভের দুইটা উপায় আমরা করতে পারি। সো if we bring the indirect object into subjective form, then how can we change it to যে we are taught, and the object will be here, the other object will be here, and it is called retained object. Which object will be used after the verb? It is called retained object, that is called retained object. Okay, and by teachers. আমরা এটাও করতে পারি যে teachers আমরা ওই ডিরেক্ট অবজেক্টকেও আনতে পারি এখানে যে grammar is taught. Grammar is taught us by teachers. ওকে, আমরা এখানে দুইটা উপায় এখানে আনতে পারি, যে একটা হচ্ছে ব্যক্তিবাচকটা যদি আমরা এখানে আনি, সো এটা এভাবে হবে we are taught grammar by teachers, অথবা grammar is taught us by teachers, দুইটাই আনা যাবে। এটাকে বলা হচ্ছে যেই অবজেক্টটা এখানে থাকবে সেটাকে বলা হচ্ছে retained object. So here other sentence, so we see that there is also double object, but we can change. How can we change it? This is called factitive verb. Factitive verb. This object cannot be expressed full words with other words. So the word is the word which is use of transitive verb. So it is called factitive verb. So এখানে ব্যক্তিবাচকটা একই ব্যক্তি দুইজনকে বোঝাচ্ছে, সো সেই জন্য এটার একটা উপাধি, এটা ছাড়া এটা কমপ্লিট হবে না, কমপ্লিমেন্টারি আমরা এটা বলবো। সো আমরা এটা কিভাবে চেঞ্জ করব? সো এটা অবজেক্ট অনলি হি ওয়াজ ইলেক্টেড ক্যাপ্টেন বাই আস। সো এখানে ক্যাপ্টেন কখনো সামনে আসবে না। সো এটা হচ্ছে আমরা যখন ফ্যাক্টিটিভ ভার্ব থাকবে, কতগুলো ফ্যাক্টিটিভ ভার্ব হচ্ছে সাম এক্সাম্পল সিলেক্টেড, ইলেক্টেড। সো উই ক্যান চেঞ্জ অনলি ইন ওয়ান ওয়ে। সো হি ওয়াজ ইলেক্টেড ক্যাপ্টেন বাই আস। সো নাও স্টুডেন্টস, we will see how we can change reflexive verb. Reflexive verb means which verb is used reflexive pronoun. So herself, himself, yourself, that is called myself, reflexive pronoun. So here subject and object is same person. So now how can we change it? We know in the voice change we must interchange subject into will be object and object will be subject. But here we see if there is reflexive verb, there will be no change, subject will be in the same place. So she, and we use be verb, and that is past participle by herself. All will be same, but we cannot change all structure. Here we can change only, but subject and object will be not changed. Okay, this called she is fans herself. she নিজেই নিজেকে বাতাস করে, so she is fanned by herself. And that is also other rules, quasi passive verb, that is অর্ধ কর্মবাচ্য আমরা যেটা বলি। সো এখানেও আমরা সাবজেক্ট অবজেক্ট কোনো, এখানে তো অবজেক্ট নাই, সো এটা হচ্ছে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ফর্ম। সো হানি টেস্ট সুইট। সো হিয়ার আমরা দুইভাবে এটা করতে পারি যে হানি, এখানেও সাবজেক্ট চেঞ্জ হবে না, হানি ইজ, বাকি সব আগের নিয়মে হবে। অক্সিলারি ভার্ব বসবে, ভার্বের পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল, হানি ইজ টেস্টেড সুইট। যেহেতু এখানে এটা অবজেক্ট না, সেই জন্য এখানে আমরা বাই প্রিপোজিশন বসাবো না। অথবা আমরা এইভাবেও করতে পারি যে হানি is sweet when it is tasted. So dear students, I think you have learned the lesson clearly. So there are many other rules of voice, but if we in this class we learn only the main rules of the voice change. Now we will check how we can learn what you have learned in this class. So dear students, now we'll check what you have learned in this class. So in this case, the girl knows it, active voice, what will be passive voice. So we know what will be, the object will be subject. Yes, the object will be subject. Then we use auxiliary verb, it is, then main verb will be past participle, it is known. So what preposition will use? To, the girl. Okay, it is known to the girl. We use to with the verb known. And the second sentence I shall do the word. What will be passive? Yes, it will be first the object will be, what is object? The work. And this is model auxiliary verb. The work will be model auxiliary verb, we use be, and do main verb past participle, by subject will be objective from, I, me. Okay, and he told me the story. Here what how can we change it? Here we see two object. Okay, now one object will be subject. Okay, I was, okay, yes, you have learned it. I was told the story. Other object will be here, that is called retained object. I was told the story by him. And but here is also two object, but it is called factitive verb. So how can we change? Okay, he was, that is past indefinite, so we use was auxiliary verb. He was made king by them. Yes, you are correct, he was made king by them. And the last one, how can we change it? Yes, this is called quasi passive. So এটা খুবই সোজা, the bananas, আমরা auxiliary verb কি ইউজ করব প্লুরালের ক্ষেত্রে? are. The bananas are sold cheap. Okay, thank you, you have learned it clearly. Dear students, you have there is SW number 8. You will practice at home 10 sentence from assertive sentence. Actually practice makes a man perfect. If you practice more, you will learn more. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye, stay home and stay safe.